We want to see which expressions simplify to a cubed plus b cubed. Recall the identity, a plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. First, let's analyze expression I, a plus b cubed minus 3ab times a plus b. Expanding a plus b cubed gives a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now, subtract 3ab times a plus b, a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed minus 3a squared b minus 3ab squared. This simplifies to a cubed plus b cubed, so expression I equals a cubed plus b cubed. Next, let's evaluate expression 2, a squared plus b squared times a plus b. Expanding gives a squared times a plus b squared times a plus b. This results in a cubed plus a squared b plus ab squared plus b cubed. This has extra terms, so expression 2 does not equal a cubed plus b cubed. Now let's look at expression 3, a plus b cubed. As previously stated, a plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. This does not simplify to a cubed plus b cubed. Therefore, only expression I equals a cubed plus b cubed. The correct option is only expression 1.